Hi everyone, my name is Kiran. Today I'm going to explain about Azure policy. Under that, I'm not going to explain Azure policy. What is Azure policy? Those things I'm not explaining, guys. But under Azure policy, there is a one option, especially I'm talking about one option, and you can see here audit if not exist. Like that, so many different options is available. That is a available effects. So that option regarding that, I'm going to explain it so that you will get the clarity on what is the exactly policy, how it works. You will get the more clarity. That's the reason I'm going to explain it. And before going to start, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and like and give the comments, and please share with your friends. Please encourage me. Thank you. And let's jump into there are 6 types is available, and one is a deny. So deny, when we'll use it, suppose example, I will show you allowed location. So there is a allowed location. As per this policy, specific locations only I want allowed to deploy my resources. In this case, you can see available effort is a deny. That means whenever I'm creating and applying this policy, automatically that specific region only it will allow me to deploy the resources. If I'm not following as per this policy, it is a violation, means it won't allow me to deploy the resources. That is a deny. And another thing, like example, audit related. Suppose generally apply the policy, it will give the audit report, compliance and non-compliance report, like generally regularity, policies, like financial sector related, GDPR related, all the policies, it will give the audit report as per policies of we are following or not. Okay, and next, audit if not exist. Like example, audit if not exist, and you can see here audit virtual machine without disaster recovery configure. Audit if not exist, that means already deploy the virtual machine, but the deploy the virtual machine without disaster recovery configured. Such audit report I require, and only such audit report only I require. It's a compliance non-compliance wise will get the report. That is a audit if not exist. And another thing, append operation, like tag. If it is especially tags is not mandatory when deploying the resources, like resource group, we if it is not metadata, it's not additionally metadata, we are not associated. In this case, append tags, that means if I apply the tags, apply this policy, my subscription level, such tag values it's not available, tag and that values is not available, automatically append operation. That means automatically that metadata or tags additional information automatically append the operation, it will happen, and on particular resource group and particular resources it automatically happen. That is a append. And deploy if not exist, there is a deploy not exist. What exactly meaning? So you can see deploy log analytics extension for Linux VM, see the deprecation notice below. So deploy if not exist means automatically such extension is not available, and this as per available efforts it automatically deploy that extension and installation. That means it automatically, it's a, you can see the list define the extension is not installed, and automatically it's going to install it. It's going to install it. That is a way this one more is available. And last but not least, disable. Such policy is a obviously nothing, it won't perform it, just disable the policy. That's it, guys. So if you like my video, please subscribe and like and give the comments and share with your friends. Thank you.